Hi, boys and girls. So, for the last few days, we've been exploring the elements of art: line, shape, form, color, baby, color, texture, value, and space. And when we've been reviewing them, we haven't really had a chance to do much with form. That's my bodybuilder hands. With form, because we've been making flat artwork, and form is three-dimensional. In math, you might call them 3D shapes. It's a sculpture that you can walk around or look at from different angles. So we're going to make a mobile today. So here's how we do this. You're going to start with 4 pipe cleaners. It doesn't matter what color. Okay. You're going to take 2 pipe cleaners, and you're going to try and fold them in half evenly. So what I do is I sort of just get the ends together there and then go through to make a point, a fold on one side. So there's one. Take my other one. So right now this is still rounded, so I can adjust the ends. Pull it down. Now I have 2. Okay? Now I'm going to take my 2 pipe cleaners, and I'm going to kind of put them one on top of the other. Can you see that? And I'm going to take one of the legs and wrap it around at the other one's point. So I'm making it a tripod. So I have 3, tri means 3. I have 3 pipe cleaner legs that sit down and one that's sitting straight up. I'm going to pick this up so you can kind of see it from the side. Got that? Okay. I'm going to put that back up on top there now. You have to play around with making it have balance. That's what makes this such a challenge anytime you're making a sculpture, is how can you make it stand. Then I'm going to loop this one around, the one that was sticking up, the arm that sticks up, and make kind of a little loop. Can you see that? Okay. Okay, now I'm going to bring in another pipe cleaner. This pipe cleaner is going to go through this loop. Whoop, it didn't balance, so I have to adjust the length in my legs to make them balance. This is a good time to ask yourself, how can I make this stronger? Do I need to add something? And that's why I've given you that 4th pipe cleaner. The 4th pipe cleaner is really just an option. You don't have to use it, but you can. So if you think that a 4th pipe cleaner would help you, you can use it. Okay, I've got mine standing. Again, I'm going to show you from the side. All right, so kind of looks like a funky spider or something. And now I'm going to start making some of the shapes. So even though we're using form and this is three-dimensional, there are some flat shapes on this. So I'm going to carefully get that out of the way. We have these awesome foam stickies, okay? I'm going to pick one up, and you can make a shape. It can be an organic shape. That's a shape that doesn't have a name. And it can be a geometric shape. In fact, I want you to have at least one geometric and one organic. I'm going to make this one organic. So it's just sort of like a shadow or a blob. I did not start drawing this first. I just kind of went for drawing it, for cutting it, excuse me. And there's one side. Now, let's say I want the other side of this to be yellow. I'm going to put this on top, and now I am going to trace it.
This foam material is kind of expensive, and I don't have a lot of it, so I want to make sure you're using it the right way. Being careful with the supplies not to waste it.
Keep all these scraps because these are great for decorating. Okay, so now I have 2 shapes that should fit together just perfectly. I'm going to peel the backing off of one. It's a sticker. Peel the backing off of the other one. Whoop! Hello. Sometimes you can do that. And then I get my sculpture back, and I'm going to put this on the end of one of my arms. Okay, these are totally sticking to my hands. So if I set one like this, put this on the other side. There we go. It's starting to look like a real Calder sculpture. So now I need to ask myself, whoops, sorry. So now I need to ask myself, it's leaning on the left side. How can I make it have more balance? That's right. I can put something on the right side. It can be exactly the same shape, but that's maybe not super challenging. Maybe I need to just scoot this over and watch that. Now that's balanced a little more. I could take this pipe cleaner side and bend it, give it an angle, and I can make another shape. This time I think I'll do a geometric shape. So I'm going to try and make this like a circle. That made it fall over. How can I make this stronger? I think I need to make this connection a little stronger right there. Awesome. So that's what my sculpture looks like so far. I have a few more pieces here I can play with. I can do something with this arm. If I want to add my other pipe cleaner leg, I can. I just am not happy with how strong this is. Aha! No. Ta-da. Now here's something else you can do. I'm going to scoot this over. You can take your extra bits of foam and decorate your shapes. That's a good way to add weight too, if you need to add weight to get balance. Okay, here's my sculpture so far. I'm liking it. Not quite finished. Aha, that has good balance. I think I'm finished with my sculpture.